Hi everyone! Once you unbox your Cricut Explore Air 2 from the box, next what you need to do is to get your power cord and connect it to your computer. And the power plug is right behind the machine. It's right here. So plug your cord in. Once you connect to the power cord, you turn the power on. And the power button is right here. Press it. And you see the light is blue, that means it's on. And next what you need to do is to connect your Cricut into your laptop or computer or your phone, whichever method you're using. Now connect your USB cord to your machine, the Cricut machine, and to your laptop or computer. Hit the button right here and you see the Cricut logo right here. Click it. Launch it. I already have the Cricut account, so it just popped up automatically. And you go here, right here, click on that. We're going to add machine, new machine setup. And click get started. Just answer a few questions. So we plug that and that and that. Power's on, continue. Say your Cricut machine comes bundled with a collection of free image fonts and ready to make project. To add items, to add them to your account, just register your machine by clicking continue. Click continue. Get 1 month free, then $9.99, maybe later. cut, ready to make project. Prepare material for cutting. Make your project. Project detail. Just click make it. So they want us to prepare the mat for printing. So I'm gonna use the mat that came with the machine, the blue mat. I'm gonna peel the protector off, but before I peel them, I place a little sticker so when I put it back, I remember which side go down. And you just want to look at the guideline and place your paper where the edge is right here. And press feed. And then click continue on your computer. What I need to do is to put the pen. Here's the pen that came with the machine. Push it down until you hear that click and then close it. And press go. See the go button is blinking back here. I don't know if you can see, so just press it. Now it's done. Feed button is blinking, press it. And here's our cards. What you do is just fold it in half. What I do is just use this card and found a scrap paper and let's put it on top, cut it, after you cut it, cut about 1/4 of an inch off. And now insert it into your card. Close it, and here we go. Now we made the beautiful cards. And on here to show you how to assemble the project. Once you finish making your card and you press next onto your computer, they want you to do the embellishment. So if you want to embellish your card, you can go ahead and click continue. This is what will happen. And then they want you to, okay, new project, and after you continue right here, they say add image, and they want you to type in film, search, and right here is the embellishment. Click on that and choose insert image, and then you click on make it, and over here you're back to the mat, and they say to prepare your mat. Just click continue. Load the mat into the machine, and then it will print the embellishment, and you can just put it on your card. Well, I'm gonna end the videos here, and I don't want to do the embellishment. If you want to, go ahead. We're done with our setup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.